Hey iStylers, welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl of iSTYLEMYSTYLE and welcome back to another episode of Pinterest inspired Trash to Treasure DIYs. Today's Pinterest inspired Trash to Treasure is part of a collaboration that is being hosted by two fabulous ladies here on YouTube. And it is their Look for Less challenge, and this collaboration is being hosted by Yami from the Latina Next Door and Natalie from Design to the Nines. And in this collaboration, they asked us to recreate a high-end look for a lot less money and on a budget. And my inspiration for today's collaboration were some candle holders that I saw on Ethan Allen. And let me tell you, those candle holders were very expensive. I will put up a picture here. The large candle holder was $150, the medium $140, the medium $130, and the smaller one $104. And those were prices if you were a member, and the prices if you were not a member were way more expensive. I really love those candle holders, but I thought I could create the look for a lot less money. You know I love thrifting, you know I love going to Goodwill, so I thought, I know I can recreate those candle holders for a whole lot less money. So, you've seen my inspiration piece. Let me show you how I'm going to put mine together. So, I went to my local thrift stores, and you guys know I love thrifting. So, I went to look for things that I could find to use to create those glorious candlesticks that I just showed you, but all on a very small budget. So, I found this one, and I thought it mimicked the style of those candle holders very well, and this was 99 cents. I also found another one similar in style, and I thought it would be perfect, and it was $2.50. And then I found this set of 3 at my local, it's like a bargain mart or a peddler's mall, that's what it was. And I had these 3 candlesticks, and I thought they were perfect. Almost right on point. And so I picked these up, and this one was $4. This one was also $4. I've removed the tag on that one. And this one was $5. So I found these. I thought those were great. So all in all, we have $5, $4, $4. So 8 and 5 is 13. This was 99, so 14. This is 3, so 17. This one was also 99 cents. I've removed the tag, so 18. And then we're going to use these candle holders that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $5. So we are going to recreate our Look for Less for under let's say under $30, $25 total, not including tax. So we'll say our Look for Less is less than $30. And the high-end candlesticks from Ethan Allen, one was $160. So let's start putting it together. Okay, so we are going to assemble our candle holders now. Now, I don't want these to be permanent because I will probably change my mind later. So we are just going to use our trusty hot glue gun and some glue sticks. So we're just going to keep it very simple, and I need to adjust you a little there. And we are just going to add some hot glue once our gun heats up. First, we are going to remove our stickers. We don't want those on our finished product. And luckily, these are not the really sticky kind that leave a bad residue. All right. So we're just going to run some hot glue. Come on, glue stick. All right, so our glue gun is warm. Now we are going to put some glue on the top. And we're going to take our candle holder and stick it on. So there's our first one. And these little glasses, I am not going to glue those on. We're just going to set them right in the... So there is our first candle holder. The other one, I'm just going to set that right on top. I don't think that needs any glue. And then we'll go ahead and glue these two together. Again, guys, this is a very, very simple DIY, but it's going to give us such bang for our book. And then that one's glued. And we're going to take it and set that on top. I'm really liking these, guys. I think our dupe is starting to come together. What do you think? We're going to take the little baby here and we're going to add some glue, hot glue. And I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to eyeball it. Yep. And there's our other one. I had also picked up this one. It was on clearance for $6. It is not in our color, but I think we could probably still use it. I'm going to cut the tag off and set this one on top. And we'll just add a little glue on this one. And we'll set it on top. So this one will be in the back. We have these in the front. And then these. So guys, this is our Ethan Allen Look for Less dupe. And I think we mimic the Look for Less very well. What do you think? I think we did. I will insert a picture of our inspiration here and then our Look for Less here. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, that completes our Look for Less challenge for the day. I think that our candle holders are very spot on to the Ethan Allen candle holders that are very luxurious. And by luxurious, I mean also very expensive. The Ethan Allen candles were $160, $150, $140, and $104. And we created our Look for Less for $25 plus tax. So we're going to say $30. And I think our dupe is spot on. So I want to thank Yami, the Latina next door, and Natalie from Design to the Nines for hosting this collaboration. I will put the links to these ladies' channels down below, as well as a link to the playlist of all the participants. So leave me a comment down below. Do you think my DIY Look for Less dupe mimics the Ethan Allen candle holders for a lot less money? I think so. I think we did really well. Let me show you this picture here. And then this picture here. I think they look kind of close. So I hope you hit the subscribe button and come back and become part of my YouTube family and join me on my YouTube journey. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you had an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.